just normal, missing someone.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. I noticed in my last vlog that the audio wasn't very good, so in this vlog I'm going to be using my microphone. Yes, I do own a microphone and it's the Boya microphone, so I'm going to be using that in this vlog, so hopefully the audio is much better. To be honest, my skin is really going through it and I don't know what to do about it. I'm going to come up close to show you guys how my skin is doing, but I think it's a particular product that I use that is having some kind of side effect on my skin, and it's very disturbing for me because I don't normally break out like this, and I'm also under a lot of stress, personal stress, work stress and everything, so that could also be a factor causing the breakouts. I can't wait to eat all of this for myself.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are.
I just randomly found this wig in my stuff and I decided to try it on. It's been a while.
Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof.